am back with a new video, Linux Basics Part 1. Just open your Linux and maximize it. Now you can see that there are some small and big icons. You can just change the size of these icons, right click on it and click on change icon size. Okay, then change its size according to your choice. As you like big or small icon, it's up to you. Okay, and in the upper file menu tab, you can see applications, Firefox for web browsing, just like in Windows or Mac, and file for Linux is just like my PC in Windows, and terminal just like CMD, from where we will carry out many tasks and we will run many Linux terminal commands. Right click and you can see the changing background option, and you can also open terminal with right click and open terminal. Okay, we have opened terminal. If you know CMD little bit, it will be plus point, or else you will get to know about it easily. I will teach you, don't worry. In this menu tab you can see file options, from where we can add a new tab in a single window of terminal, just like in browser, or a new window of a terminal. Just check it out, and we can also close tab or window from it. And you can see edit option, from where we can change the layout of terminal also. You can also paste the copied object from the clipboard, and from search you can use find function, and from terminal tab you can just resize this terminal, and from it will show help content. Now let's begin with some Linux commands, basics commands. I will show you. Now we will create a directory, and later we will create a directory inside a directory. A directory is just like a folder in Windows, and in Linux we say directory. Okay, and if you know that in CMD we can create a directory with md command also, mkdir command also. First let me open the desktop directory. Okay, now I am in the desktop, and you can see there are only two directories. Now if you work with CMD in Windows, you can check it with md command. It will not work in Linux. It will only work with mkdir for making a directory. The syntax is mkdir space file name. Now I will check with md command. You will see what errors it will show. See, bash command not found. So we have to do mkdir space folder name. Now I will create a folder name folder. Okay, you can see a new folder is created, or a new directory is created. Okay, for going inside that directory we have to use cd command, cd space directory name, and we will go inside that directory, cd space folder. Now we have gone inside that directory. You can see in the terminal. Now we can open this folder. It's empty now. Okay, now you can see that I have used cd desktop to open desktop from change directory command, cd command. Okay, now you may be curious that we have gone inside this folder directory, but how can we come outside this directory? So don't worry, we can do it also with cd command, change directory command space double that. Okay, and hit enter. Now you are outside this folder directory and you are out in the desktop. Now we are in the desktop. Let us again go inside the folder directory with cd and folder and hit enter. We will make two new directories inside this directory. let us create a directory with name new. Okay, and let us again create a directory inside this new directory. No, let us again create a new directory in this folder directory. Okay, now we have created two directory inside this folder directory. Now I will tell you a new command, that ls, to list out the files and directory inside a directory. ls is just like a dir command in cmd. Okay, let us use this command. Just type ls, small letter ls, and hit enter. Now you can see that here are only two directories, new and new2. Now you also want to know that how can we remove a directory? Now the answer is with rm and rmdir command. With rm command we can remove a file, and with rmdir we can remove a directory. Let's check an rm. Okay, so you can see that when I want to delete new2 with rm command, it shows that it is a directory, so it is used to delete a file. We have to use rmdir, remove directory, and you can see that rmdir works for us. So don't be confused that rm and rmdir both work same. So when we list it, you can see only a single directory new. Okay, now let me give you a challenge. You have to create a directory, and inside it you have to create two more directories, B and C, and inside B directory you have to create D directory and E directory, and inside C you have to create a F directory. Okay, now pause the video and do the challenge. If you completed the challenge, let me know in the comment section below with done comment, and if you can't do it, I will surely help you. Okay, those who have completed the challenge is great. If you can complete, I will show you the demo. Okay, first let us change our directory to desktop. Go to parent directory with cd command. Okay, now let us create our first directory, mkdir a. Now we have to go inside that directory with cd a. cd a. Now inside this a directory we have to create b and c directory. Now let's type mkdir b and hit enter, and again mkdir c, hit enter. Okay, now type ls, and we can see that two directories has created. Now let's go inside the directory b, type cdb. Okay, now we have to create d and e. Now mkdir d, then again type mkdir e. You can check it with ls command. Now let's go to our parent directory, type cd space /. Now okay, we have to go inside c directory, type cd space c, and we have to create a f directory, mkdir f, and hit enter. Now in this video we have created directory and deleted it. Now in our next video we will learn how to create a file, add data into it, append data into it, and remove our file. Thanks for watching guys. Stay home, stay safe.